Welcome back to Gardening Nurture, your go-to channel for all things gardening. Today, we're diving into the world of plant cloning and natural rooting hormones. If you've ever wanted to multiply your plants from cuttings with a high success rate, this video is for you. We'll explore 7 different natural rooting agents and show you how to create the most powerful formula by mixing one or more of these substances. Let's get started with our first natural rooting agent. Number 1, your own saliva. It might sound surprising, but saliva contains enzymes that can stimulate root growth. Simply dip the end of your cutting into your saliva before planting. It's a quick and natural way to encourage rooting. Next up, apple cider vinegar. This common household item is not only great for your health, but also for your plants. Mix a few drops of apple cider vinegar into water and soak your cuttings in this solution for about 5 minutes. Be careful not to use too much, as it can be too acidic for the cuttings. Number 3, cinnamon powder. Cinnamon is a powerful antifungal and antimicrobial agent. Dip your cuttings into cinnamon powder to prevent infections and stimulate root growth. It's a simple and effective method. Number 4, willow bark. Willow bark contains salicylic acid, which promotes root development. To make willow water, boil pieces of willow bark in water and let it cool. Soak your cuttings in this solution overnight for best results. Next, we have honey. Honey has natural antibacterial properties and can help protect your cuttings from infections while promoting root growth. Dip the cut end of your cutting into honey before planting. Aloe vera gel is our next rooting agent. Aloe vera is known for its healing properties, and it can also help stimulate root growth in plant cuttings. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to the cut end of your cutting. Lastly, aspirin. Aspirin contains salicylic acid, which can enhance root growth. Crush an aspirin tablet and dissolve it in water. Soak your cuttings in this solution for a few hours before planting. Remember, each plant may respond differently to these natural rooting agents, so feel free to experiment and find what works best for your garden. Natural rooting hormones are a safe, effective, and eco-friendly way to propagate your plants. With these natural rooting agents, you can clone your favorite plants easily and successfully. Give it a try and watch your garden flourish. Thank you for watching Gardening Nurture. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening! See you in the next video!